Hey, what's up, Bittorrent coin holder? What's going on this time? The live price prediction of BTT will start now. So kindly, if you are new to my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My friends, the BTT price will be increasing 3.8% just in only, my friend. You can see here in last 7 days. I think it's really good profit, my friend, as you can see here. But my friends, sometimes they were very badly dumped down. So therefore, I'm going, my friends, to upcoming time. The huge pump is coming soon. The huge fails is coming soon. Or what's going on? So therefore, as you can see, my friend, first of all, I draw the one line. You can see this is the touch the highest point, and second line you can see this is the resistance line, and third line touch the lowest point. So absolutely, you can see, my friend, this time you can see they were starting moving upward, but after that they were fails down. So you can see, my friend, if they were fails down from resistance line, so they are lost. But if they were hit the resistance line, so they are completely on the profit. So my friend, you can see here the highest point. So definitely 3.8% they will get a profit. I hope, my friend, you can see here today will recover this short lost, and again they will hit the resistance line. But don't pay, my friends, the very huge pump is coming soon, because my brother, after a short fail, absolutely every coin will pumps up. So therefore, I hope, my friends, to this short fails, absolutely clearly told you to after this fails they will pumps up. So if they will moving upward, then what are you doing? Selling, holding, or buying? My advice for all of you to please hold down, and if you have any plan to invest, so urgently invest now. I hope, my friend, in upcoming time the very big pumps is coming soon, because after the mid of month every coin will moving upward. So therefore, my advice for all of you to please hold down, and if you want to buy it, so buy it and get a profit. See you next time, BTT coin holder. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.